Welcome to D-Marine Zea. I'm delighted to greet you at our vibrant mega yacht marina located near the lively port of Piraeus and in the area of Athens. D-Marine Zea is a marina with great historic significance, being a natural port of ancient Greece and home port of the ancient Greek warships. A marina that can host boats from 5 meters to 150, offering outstanding facilities, safety and all what super and mega yachts need. Whether you are planning a short or long-term visit in the area of Athens, D-Marine Zea is your ideal location. So come aboard. We look forward to welcoming you and providing you with an amazing yachting experience.
We picked D-Marine Zea because it's a getaway to adventure in the Cyclades and the Argosaronic Gulf. With plenty of shops and activities, it's the ultimate destination for captains and crew looking for memorable moments of fun and relaxation. Big thanks to the marina staff for their warm welcome and top-notch service.
Η D-Marine Zea, εκτός από ένα φυσικό λιμάνι, είναι και μια ασφαλής μαρίνα μέσα στην πόλη του Πειραιά. Περιέχει υπηρεσίες υψηλής ποιότητας για καπετάνιους και πληρώματα. Το πιο σημαντικό όμως είναι ότι το προσωπικό είναι φιλικό και εξυπηρετικό.